Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Emmanuel, and I'm a teacher and a software developer from Silva Links. I am so excited to present to you this beautifully designed school management system called Silva Schoolmaster, a software that can handle all the activities of a school, be it nursery, primary, secondary, or university. And I just want to take this opportunity to make a big shout out to our clients, our beautiful clients, Vichy School Complex in Douala, Blessed School Complex in Mancon, Nacho Technical College in Mancon, Mark Bali, our Memorial, Satek Mancon, and Heart of Life, not forgetting Ambi School Complex, also in Bamenda. These are our clients that have really been there, supportive and helping us financially and otherwise to make sure that this school management system is top notch. And without wasting much of your time, guys, let us dive right into the registration system of this software to see how to register students, classes, subjects, and employees and otherwise. Thank you very much, and don't touch that dial as we dive right in. All right, so I will just sign in with my password. I hope that okay. So when you log in, you have this panel right here. We will start with registration, and to register, we'll register students. We can register students, we can register subjects, we can register classes, and employees. So in this video, we'll be seeing how to register classes. So we have some classes that have been registered already. So you can register an existing class. If I take a general, I can see classes under general. I can pick maybe general B, and I set a class master for that. And if I try to register it, they'll say that it already has been registered because I have already registered that class. So we are just going to create a new class and register it right away. We can go for, let me see, if we take an option for general, we have from one general A, from one general B. I just want to create from one general C, F1 general C, and the name will be from one general C, and I save that. So we have from one general C right here. Okay, now we can access that class from the general options. Okay, from one, okay, I have to refresh that page. Take again general, and this time around we should see from one general C right here. And now we can give it a class master, and then we register that class. And down here we can find it down here from one general C. Okay, let's take a class that because I have students here from one general A and from one general B, so I will just work with from one general A. Like if you look at this one, this class, if I go to fee management, from one general A has 3 fees that we have created in that class, and we can add this. We can also edit, like tuition, maybe we can change it to be 90,000 is compulsory. Make sure if it is compulsory, make sure you check this box, and we save that, and now tuition is 90,000. We can still add more fees into this class. We can add more fees. Let's take something like PTA, and we give PTA 25,000, and it is also compulsory. And I will save that. There can be bus fees, something like bus fee, bus service. Yeah, I have bus service. I will give bus service maybe the default amount could be 50,000. I say it's not compulsory because not everybody is bound to pay the bus fee in that class. So I will save that. So I have bus service, which is not compulsory. If I refresh this page, let me just take from 1 general A, and I have five different fees that I've created for that class, and the total is giving us 185,000. But there are two things there that are not compulsory. So we can come back here, and if we refresh this page, from 1 general now it's showing us tuition, registration, uniform, PTA, bus, just like that. And but you see that the total here is 120,000, is not the 185,000, because it's adding only the compulsory fees to give us this amount here. You are going to do that for the other classes. If we just take something like from 1 general, let's say from 2 general A, I'll edit from 2 general A, I go to fee management. There is no fee in that class. I can just drop down. Registration is how much? 5,000. It's compulsory, yes. That's from 2 general A. Tuition is, remember that this class is already, when you double click here, when you are in this edit mode, before you come to fee management, you see that this class will be populated, so you will be able to register your different fees. Tuition, let's say it's 80,000, is compulsory, yes. And then we have PTA, 25,000. 5,000 is compulsory, yes. And then we have let's say textbooks. This time around, textbooks, 40,000. Yes, no, it's not compulsory. It's not compulsory. Save that. And of course, we have different fees there. If we refresh, let me just take from what was from 2 general A. We have 4 different fees in that class. One is not compulsory. Let us refresh now, and our form 2 general has these various fees. So is that when you move from one class to the other, the headings do change, and you can identify the amounts from their various headings. All right, so that is it for fee management and class registration and fee management per class. So if I double click here and I take a fee registration, do you want to proceed to fee registration? Yes. Open. Okay, that operation is being cancelled, so we use fee management. This was for bulk registration. So that is it, guys, for fee registration and class management. We have a few things here that I want to highlight on. We have finances, which is I'm not able to access finance because I did not sign in with a finance person as a finance officer. Let me just do that really quick. I'll just do that really quick. Okay, so I have put in the credentials for the finance person. This amount is supposed to be Blessed Finance, like this. Okay, if I take login, yes, and this time around we are able to access the finance options, and we have other things. We have fee control per class, showing amount due, and so on. We have financial statements that are showing our income and expenditure. We have marks input, result analysis for broadsheets, and we have report cards. There are so many features there. We will be treating these features one by one as time goes on, guys. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial on how to register your various fees per classes. Thank you, and stay tuned as we bring up more tutorials. If you have any worries, send them up and we will work on them, because your satisfaction is our goal. Thank you once more and stay blessed.